Friday number 3, and this time we're in a different location. We're at a place called the Pineapple. Today we're in the forest, in the woodlands. Today should be a lot more quaffle friendly and small fruit friendly. Lyra! Good boy, look how far he's gone!
Excuse me?
Okay, I get the message. I get it. Come on then. Good girl. And you, come on. Yes, good. Yeah. He's like, very good, we'll show you the camera. But I feel better. Surprise, with the blue and gold.
I am.
Even though it's not my Ciomhe here, he still has to have a blue and gold nearby.
Yeah, Ginger. Where's the farmhouse?
That's why he's not done.
is a long back.
There's a Lyra, there's a coffee!
It's now Monday and the last day of our holiday. In other words, going home day. The girls are a bit grumpy at the moment because they've not had their breakfast, same as me. But that's because we have put their breakfast in their carriers in the hope that they will enjoy it that way instead. And hopefully not do the amount of destruction that Quaffle and Lyra has done to this bag so far. But one can only hope that birds are not going to destroy something. I've actually put sticks in there for them to chew, I've put toys in there for chew, and they've still gone and destroyed everything. You've seen the destruction this little madam and Quaffle between them have done to this carrier. There's also another hole down there in the side that I'm having to watch Lyra with. You keep on trying to eat it, don't you? Yes, I'm trying to eat it. What, Ringo girl? You enjoy your breakfast? Lyra has also done this to the carrier, and Quaffle has improved on it, let's say. We're actually planning on getting a carrier like fruityflocks that they've got.